This is one of my family's all-time favorite muffins, berry cream muffins. What you'll need is 2 cups flour, 1 cup sugar, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt. Now you can use fresh or frozen berries for this. I used fresh in this one. You'll also need 2 eggs slightly beaten, 1 cup sour cream or yogurt. I used a combination in my recipe, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, and 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. So you need to mix your dry ingredients first, then you can mix up your wet ingredients. Then you're gonna lightly toss in the berries. And I found that the fresh berries are a little more difficult to work with because they're just so soft. Then you'll very gently fold in your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients. Now mix this all up until the dry ingredients are just moistened. Like other videos, I am using my Bond Cook silicone muffin pan that has woven glass, so it browns really nicely on the outside. It's non-stick, don't have to spray it or line it, and you get that beautiful golden color. Into the oven it goes for 18 to 21 minutes. And then when it's done, allow it to cool in the pan for 5 minutes. Then I easily pop them out, and you can see that nice golden color, and they all come out really easily and not a lot of debris or baked on yuckiness to have to deal with, which I love. It's so amazing. Ah.